mentioned different kinds of index tables we can create. I hope you can know the function of these index tables. Generally, given a desired number, right? We want to find the location for the data tuples matching these numbers. It is very similar to the question we asked at the very beginning, right? Given a list, we can treat this list as its index tables. We want to find the number, right? Matching our desired number in the list and also provide the index in the list. If we treat these numbers as these search keys, and this 17 number is desired value for the search key, right? And this list is an index table. This index denoting the pointer pointing to the tuples, right, in the tables. Therefore, the search process in the database system is very similar to the search here for this toy question. Generally, given a desired number, right, as well as the index table, the question we are studying in the database system for indexing is to build a function which can map these desired inputs, the numbers, to a specific entry in the index table. And via the pointer in the index table, we can locate the data tuple in our database systems. So this figure in this page provides an illustration of the index tables we plan to create. So we have one line here. Above the line, they are corresponding to these index tables. And below the line, they correspond to the tables in database systems. They are storing the data records. And these entries above the line denoting the index table, we have entries inside the index table. Squares below the line denoting the specific data records in our tables. And this triangle denoting a mapping function we plan to build, right? A mapping function we plan to build. Given any number we plan to search via some mappings or data structures, it can help us project this number to a corresponding entry in the index table. And via the pointer from this entry matching these inputs, we can locate the corresponding data tuples in the tables. And we can identify these data tuples matching our inputs in our database systems. So this is the search process. Given inputs, so via some mappings, we can find the matching entries in the index table very fast. So we can find the tuples from this index entry, right? And in this page, we will provide you with different index tables, which are either clustered or unclustered. The clustered and unclustered means the tuples we store in the real-world systems, they are either clustered or unclustered. For clustered index tables, for all the entries we are pointing to, they are sorted according to the search keys, right? And this pointer will point to the beginning to the end in a sequential manner. However, for this unclustered index, the pointer will point to the tuples, they are mixed together in the direction, right? Okay, so this is about two different types of index tables we can create. So far, I hope you can follow me, right? So for the index, we are building this data structure above this line. We plan to have a very efficient data structure to help us, given a number, we can locate the corresponding entry matching this input number in the index table. This matching process should be very fast. After we do the matching, we can access the pointer, right? In other words, we can access the data tuples we are storing in our database systems. So the main focus in this section is on this part. How to build this triangle as well as how to build these index entries. Okay, so that's it for today, and we'll move to the remaining sections in the following week. And I hope you have a nice weekend. Thanks for your attention.